Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I'm very excited to tell you about my next live event. It's going to be February 26th, and we're going to be doing a course, an all-day course from 11 a.m. Eastern Time till whenever, usually about 5 hours, but it's an all-day course on costumed figure drawing. Now this is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do something a little different this time, where I'm going to bring in live models, and I'm going to set up my easel, and I'm going to be using traditional media. Now, hold on, that doesn't mean that you have to use traditional media. If you want to use an iPad or a Cintiq and work digitally alongside, that's fine. There's no problem with that. But I'm going to work traditionally. I might try some watercolor, some charcoal, some pencil, who knows. But I'm going to be using live models, costumed, and so we're going to be talking about fabric. We're going to be talking about folds. I'm going to talk about lighting and how lighting hits the form. We're going to be talking about features, hair, all kinds of stuff, along with doing gestural drawings, 1-minute poses, 2-minute poses, 5-minute poses, 20, and even a long rendered pose. So there's going to be a completely full day. It's going to be a lot of fun. Once again, that's February 26th at 11 a.m. So go on over to creatureartteacher.com/live and you can get all the information there. Now remember, spots are going to be limited. So if this is something you're interested in, jump on it. We're going to have a lot of fun. And like I said, it's an absolutely full day. It's a lot of drawing. It's a lot of information. But most of all, like I said, it's going to be fun. So I hope to see you there. Go on out there, put some beauty back into the world, and we'll do some figure drawing together. Thanks.